my lazy salad recipe. Today I have lettuce, broccoli, some sandwich meat, avocado, onion, egg, cucumbers, some clementines, and my favorite ingredient, pickled ginger with bean thread. Chop everything and toss it into a mixing bowl. Onion, cucumbers, broccoli, romaine lettuce, hard-boiled egg, peel your veggies and fruit. Cut the remaining ingredients. And finally, my favorite ingredient, bean thread. Cut it as well. Mix it. Top it with your favorite dressing. I'm going to use soy sauce today because I love the taste of bean thread and soy sauce. Voila! If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm looking forward to bring more easy and delicious recipes from Mrs.